Kuringana na muikariri giti wa University ya Mount Kenya Simon Gisharu, muhatikano mosharaini ya General Kago ukite kurumirira miriria irehagwo kuu ni maabitha a borithi na thutha ucio gutire mundu ona umwe wiyumiragia kuga mundu wao niorite.
And of course obstructing our original mission of the General Kago Hospital.
Ishara-ini riake thibitari-ini wa Thika Level 5, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Peter Tum nieranire kunyitanira na ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini niguo gutigirira miri iria itakuranitwo ni yathikwo. Gisharu augete thukuru wa Mount Kenya ni uhaririirie shiringi milioni 30 cia kugacirithia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kugerera mitambo ya kiriu.
The purpose of Innovation Hub is to develop innovations in electronic health, because we have realized that most of the people nowadays who require health services, they have got smartphones, and they can use the smartphones in furthering the desire to get health services.
Thukuru uyu uri na unyitaniri na thukuru ungi kuma bururi wa Amerika niguo guka na uthunduri mwega wa kiriu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jeta Wangari wa Mwangi.